Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we are going to be doing the rear lift gate support struts. And if you don't know what those are, it's these things that we're going to be replacing today. And if you want to see us do that, stay tuned. The first thing you need is somebody strong so they can hold the door up so that it won't fall down and crush you. So in order to remove the support struts, you will need to remove these clips right here. There is one on the bottom and the top that you both need to remove the strut. That's the first one. And that is the second clip off. Now you can take the strut off. And now you're going to take your other strut, aka your new strut, and you're going to basically push it on to these mounts up there and down here. And now you have your new struts on. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you want to see more content. Bye!